Do you have a lot of bottles in your detailing arsenal? They have all kinds of different caps. Some of them are kind of hard to work with. You don't get consistent use out of them. They get clogged up. You want to just try something different? Well, so did we. We've got a product that we want to show you here, so stay tuned and we'll go over details. Hi, I'm Todd with ESOTERIC. We have got a product here. It's kind of funny that the least expensive product that we sell, we're doing a great video in front of cars like this. Do we need cars like this in this particular shot? No, but wouldn't you? I mean, look at these things. They're awesome. Okay, so you have all these different products. They come with different kind of caps on them. Sometimes they come with a solid cap. You have to put a sprayer on or you just pour it in. Sometimes they come with one of these guys here that are hard to work with and they always get clogged up. Sometimes you have something like this. What if you want something different? What about having a cap, self-cleaning, and you can have consistent on everything that you use? Now, a lot of people would think of this as just something that you would use for polish. I tell you, if you're working with different polish bottles and you're dealing with these other kind of caps, I mean, you know, I love these manufacturers, but this cap makes it a lot nicer. They're difficult to work with. So having something that's consistent is nice, and having this self-cleaning tip right here, you're not going to get stuff clogged up. What if you don't have any extra caps around? It clogs up. You got to stop. You got to waste a lot of time, energy, effort that you don't want. You know, or what if a product comes with a spray head that you don't necessarily want? Well, here's what my idea is. Whether you're working with a tar, a tire dressing, prep, polishes, you don't like these things, you don't need those. You want caps like this? You don't need those either. How about we just concentrate on these? Put them on everything. They're going to make your life a lot simpler. Now, this was developed by a former student of ours here at the ESOTERIC Elite Detailer Academy. We've got a few products that we carry that have involved former students here. But he did a fantastic job putting these together, that they work on just about every bottle type that you're going to find. A universal fit. Once again, self-cleaning. It's going to make your life easier. And if you notice from the view back behind me, that's where your orders ship out of. So once you place your orders for these, plus the other products that you have, they're going to come out of there. Can't guarantee there'll be 4 GTs there the whole time. But if you want to find out more about innovative products like this, carried by ESOTERIC, make sure and check out the next video in the series. As always, we appreciate that like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.